So Netflix announced a better than expected earnings outcomes, one of the best it has ever disclosed, and all of these are coming after it started to after they implemented the password clamp down and all that stuff. So it got a couple of downgrades regardless of this better than expected earnings outcomes. Some analysts, especially one from Deutsche Bank, was actually indicating that the price has already been the its leadership, its prominence has already been priced in. That it's going to continue to dominate, and it's not new anymore. That's what they're trying to say. It's not. They're very much positive. This analysis is very much positive, even trying to say that even they might begin to acquire the content of other streaming competitors. So even another analyst as well equally said that it mentioned that might be what may begin to happen, that some of these other streaming platforms that may begin to sell their content to Netflix, and then further entrenching their dominance. So right now, in this pre-market session, it has pulled back from the highs of around 545 to where it is right now. And when it spiked to those levels, it also drove up the S&P 500 futures, and indeed S&P 500. So drove it up significantly. And around S&P was trading around 4,890 or thereabouts. So this is the 1 minute chart. Projections go all the way towards 549.29. Any odds that it's going to get there? From the look of things, it looks well. Never say never. It might still get there, but let's see. This might be the last of its rally for this session. Maybe not. It may rebound. I can't say for sure, but well, that's the most upper projection on its 1 minute chart here, 549.17, and that might be the highest you can get on any chart at the moment, because the market hasn't opened yet, and only the very narrow intervals that are currently trading. So currently live, so only the narrow interval charts are currently live. So that's why we have these calculations here. You may not find them. That's why you have these recalculated projections at the moment, and you may not find them on the daily charts and all that stuff. So this is a significant projection. So let's take note of that. 549.17. Below that we have 545.84. And then below that we have 544.77. Let's just quickly have a look at the 15-minute chart and see what we have. 549 on the 1 minute chart. Let's see whether we can find anything here. Yeah, okay, we have some. Okay, the 555. All right, so I got that one wrong. 555.97 on the 15-minute chart is the most upper projection. So just above where it is now, we have 544.70. So if you look at this now, I think the probability of it touching 539 is a lot more higher, a lot more realistic than it rebounding to 544.47. And indeed, that can equally happen. It has actually done that already. It did that already in a few hours ago. So yeah, so we have a higher projection than what we saw on the 1 minute chart, 557.97. So we take that as the most upper projection we have seen so far. 500 and let me cram that number, 557.97. Let's look at the 45-minute chart. Let's see what we have for the 5-minute chart. We have okay, we don't have anything here. Nothing. It has since exceeded all of its upper projections. So, and it hasn't I don't think it hasn't recalculated, I want to believe. And then at any point looking at the 2-hour chart, let's look at the 2-hour chart. I don't think it's currently alive, currently trading. It's a 2-hour chart, so it's currently live. So 505. No, we don't have any any upper projections to anything. It hasn't recalculated, and I don't. It definitely wouldn't be the case on the daily chart. So on the daily chart, okay, I got that one wrong. It has recalculated, and it's okay. Well, it hasn't recalculated. Sorry, this is what it was before the market was yesterday. So yeah, as things stand right now, it has exceeded this projection of 528.11. So, but let's look at the 1 week chart. We might see something different there, something higher than what we have. Yes, we do. We do have 670.18, and then it's right on its this projection of 545.27. So it's right. We have a convergence there, convergence of the price on, and with convergence of the price, this pre-market price, and one of its Fibonacci projections. So indeed, there are still projections, even higher projections that are higher than 557. We have here $670.18.